Alright, in this video, I'm breaking down the 50 most insane, highest discount Amazon Black Friday LEGO deals, with some picks hitting up to 60% off right now. And trust me, a bunch of these are already climbing the bestseller charts. Every discount link is in the description. And if you're watching on TV, just scan the QR code to pull them up instantly. So, let's start with Now this solar power robot kit lands at $14 with a sharp 60% drop. It features multiple buildable robot designs powered by sunlight, giving kids hands-on STEM learning without extra batteries. A solid pick for sparking creativity, boosting problem solving, and keeping young builders engaged for hours. Next up, the Grogu Hover Pram Set comes in at $50 after a clean 50% cut. The build captures Grogu's floating pod with fun display details, and the included pieces offer a relaxing build for fans. A great choice for collectors wanting a charming shelf piece and kids who love the Star Wars universe. Moving on, this RC stunt car hits $25 with a bold 45% drop. It delivers 360-degree flips, bright LEDs, and grippy four-wheel drive movement that handles indoor and outdoor play. A fun option for kids wanting energetic driving tricks, longer playtime with modular batteries, and durable action out of the box. Here's another. The Harry Potter Mandrake figure sits at $41 with a solid 41% markdown. It recreates the iconic Mandrake with posable features and a pot display that fills right out of the films. A great pick for fans wanting a magical desk piece, room decor upgrade, or a gift with nostalgic charm. Now, the 12-in-1 Space Shuttle set lands at $16 after a 38% drop. It transforms into multiple aerospace builds, from rockets to launchers, giving kids tons of replay variety. A fun choice for young creators who love hands-on building, imaginative missions, and hours of STEM-style exploration. Quick heads up, a few of these discounts are already selling out fast, so I've added all the links in the description. And if you're watching on TV, just scan the QR to jump in. Moving on, the Mega Fallout Red Rocket Truck Stop comes in at $55 with a clean 36% cut. With 824 pieces and detailed characters, it captures the game's retro-futuristic style. A strong pick for collectors wanting a display-worthy build packed with Fallout personality and interactive scenes. Next up, Brick Like This drops to $13 after a 33% markdown. It's a fast-paced party building game where players recreate quirky shapes under time pressure. A fun pick for families wanting something creative, easy to learn, and perfect for quick game nights. Now, Captain's Island Boat Tour sits at $20 with a 32% cut. It includes the boat, island scenery, and minifigures of Marshall and Captain for classic Animal Crossing vibes. A great choice for younger builders wanting a relaxing, game-inspired set that looks great on display too. Moving on, the Mini Bonsai Tree set lands at $45 with a 31% drop. It offers multiple mini builds with customizable colors for mindful, relaxing building sessions. A solid pick for adults wanting calming decor pieces, and a fun craft-like project for their desk or home. Here's another. The DIY guitar model arrives at $29 with a 31% discount. It includes a mini amp and detailed accessories for a realistic look once built. A thoughtful pick for music lovers wanting a creative building challenge and a standout display piece with personality. Just a reminder, some of these Black Friday prices change without warning, so I've dropped all the links below. Watching on TV, just scan the QR to open the deals instantly. Now, the Dried Flower Centerpiece set sits at $35 with a clean 30% cut. Its warm fall colors and layered arrangement make a standout table or mantle display. A lovely choice for adults wanting a long-lasting seasonal centerpiece that adds style without real flower upkeep. Next up, Santa's Delivery Truck lands at $14 after a 30% drop. It's a compact holiday build with fun festive details and an easy construction style. A great option for families wanting a quick Christmas project and a cute piece to add a seasonal decor. Moving on, the Disney Simba Cub set hits $14 with a strong 30% markdown. The build captures Simba's expressive look and works well for both play and display. A fun pick for Disney fans wanting a simple, charming collectible for shelves or desks. Now the A New Hope 10-4 boarding set comes in at $38 with a 30% cut. It includes the iconic hallway scene plus the exclusive Fives minifigure for collectors. A great choice for Star Wars fans who want an action-filled display set loaded with nostalgia. Finally, the Majestic Rhino 3-in-1 set lands at $42 after a clean 30% drop. It features a detailed rhino build plus alternate animal models for more creativity. A strong pick for kids wanting versatile building fun and adults who enjoy wildlife-themed showcase pieces. Now, the Harry Potter Thistral family set comes in at $49 with a clean 30% drop. It includes posable Thrusterelle, a small forest carriage scene, and familiar magical details. A nice pick for fans wanting a darker, creature-focused build that works well for display and imaginative play. Next up, the Technic NASA Lunar Rover lands at $154 after a strong 30% cut. Packed with authentic suspension, steering, and instrument details, it recreates the iconic Apollo LRV with precision. A great choice for space lovers wanting a challenging adult build and a display piece rooted in real NASA history. Moving on, the Friends Stargazing Camper hits $21 with a 30% markdown. The camper trailer, telescope, and mini dolls create an easygoing adventure setup kids can customize. A fun pick for young builders wanting science-themed play, cozy storytelling, and a colorful outdoor scene. Here's another. The Duplo Cars and Trucks Brick Box sits at $35 with a 30% drop. With chunky vehicles and easy-to-hold pieces, toddlers can build and rebuild simple cars while growing coordination. A great option for early learners wanting hands-on creativity and a starter set that encourages imaginative exploration. Now, the Brick Art Gallery set comes in at $126 after a clean 30% cut. With 3,400 pieces and modular displays, it feels like assembling a small city gallery packed with detail. A solid pick for adults wanting a long, relaxing build and a stylish architectural piece for shelves. Before we hit the next picks, check the description for all the deals. A couple of them are limited time drops, and the QR code on screen works great if you're watching on TV. Next up, the 5-in-1 STEM RC Builder Kit lands at $36 with a 28% discount. It lets kids create 5 different vehicles and control them through an app or remote for added versatility. A strong pick for young engineers wanting hands-on building practice, motor skills growth, and tech-focused fun. Moving on, Monkey Palace drops to $32 after a 24% cut. Its brick-based strategy game challenges players to build and outmaneuver opponents through clever placement. A fun pick for families wanting a creative, competitive board game that blends building with smart decision-making. Now, the pack of 10 base plates hits $15 with a 22% marked out. These sturdy 10x10 plates expand building space for larger scenes, cities, and custom creations. A practical choice for kids wanting more room to build and parents looking to upgrade playtables affordably. Here's another. The Nature Activity Card Set lands at $8 with a 20% drop. It includes themed prompts and bricks that guide kids through simple creative challenges. A helpful pick for sparking imagination, encouraging skill building, and offering quick screen-free activities. Next up, Orange Off-Road Buggy sits at $40 with a 20% cut. With 4 minifigures and a rugged dragon-themed vehicle, it's packed with action for Ninjago fans. A fun option for kids wanting fast-paced play, detailed characters, and a sturdy build ready for adventure scenes. Real quick, a few of these discounts are running low, so if something caught your eye, the link's right below. TV viewers can scan the QR to keep up as we go. Moving on, the Crescent Flower Decor Set hits $29 with a 20% drop. Its curved floral panels create a standout wall or tabletop piece that blends craft and building. A great pick for decor lovers wanting a unique, handmade art element with color and texture. Now, the Space Activity Card Set comes in at $8 with a 20% discount. It guides challenges with bricks included, so kids can build rockets, planets, and sci-fi ideas quickly. A solid choice for sparking imagination and encouraging STEM-themed play without needing big sets. Next up, the Animals Activity Cards Kit lands at $8 with a 20% markdown. It covers dozens of creative prompts ranging from pets to safari creatures. A great pick for kids wanting fast building fun that keeps creativity moving on every card. Here's another. The Rolife Greenhouse Miniature sits at $34 with a 20% drop. Packed with tiny furniture and decor, it offers a charming, intricate build that doubles as display. A relaxing option for adults wanting a slow, detailed crafting experience with a cozy final look. Now, the Mega Pokemon Motion Eevee arrives at $69 after an 18% cut. With 1,366 pieces and a crank mechanism that animates Eevee's run, it's a standout mechanical build. A fun pick for collectors wanting motion, character charm, and a satisfying engineering-style build.
Alright, continuing on, but if any of the earlier deals caught your eye, the links are down below, and the QR quote works great for TV viewers. Moving on, the Titanic ship model hits $40 with an 18% drop. Its 1,228 pieces recreate the ship's silhouette, plus a glowing light strip for dramatic display. A great pick for history fans and builders wanting a big, eye-catching model with strong visual impact. Next up, the Kohl's Earth Mech sits at $17 after a 15% cut. With posable limbs and 2 minifigures, it brings classic Ninjago action in a compact build. A solid choice for kids wanting dynamic posing, quick play setups, and a fun mech that doesn't take long to assemble. Now the Tuxedo Cat 3D wall art lands at $25 with a 15% drop. Its micro brick style creates detailed textures perfect for wall or desk display. A nice pick for pet lovers wanting a unique art piece that adds charm and personality to any room. Finally, the Gabby's Dollhouse to Baby Box set hits $13